So this is why we can't have nice things. Hey guys, so I'm gonna stop the video here because I've been struggling with these Christmas lights for like 30 minutes now. I've been trying to get them to work and they just won't. Like the only ones that I got to work were these, and it's only like half of the whole string. Oh my god, and see, like they're not even stable. They're turning off. So I'm gonna go to the store tomorrow and get some new ones. I've tried changing the bulbs and just nothing. Like I even saw videos on how to fix them and nothing. So tomorrow we will continue decorating for Christmas. But here's what I got done today. So I unpacked everything. I took everything out of storage. And back there you can see the tree. It's all fluffed up and ready to be decorated. It's so depressing not doing it today. Junior. Uh-oh. So it is now the next day and I ran errands all day, but on the way home I stopped by Home Depot and I got some new Christmas lights. So I got these kinds and these. So we're ready to continue. So these kinds are these, just your average Christmas lights. And these are super cute. They're like little balls, like they look like gumball. I don't know, they're super cute. So this is why we can't have nice things. Look what they did to the bottom of the tree. I don't even know if this is fixable. Like they completely bent these branches and I don't know, they don't stay up anymore. Look at these. This whole section right here is just resting on the floor. Oh my god. I can't believe they did that. From here up, it doesn't look that bad, but like the bottom just looks ridiculous. It looks ridiculous. But I'm gonna go ahead and decorate the tree anyways. So, let's do it. Hello. So, yesterday something came up and I had to stop recording. So it is now the next day and let's see if today we can finish decorating this tree. Like this tree is cursed. the end of the video, and there is the tree all finished. It looks pretty, finally. So obviously I'm not gonna be putting a skirt on the tree because the kitties made one themselves. As you can see, I think that's so much prettier than anything I could have gotten. So that's gonna be the tree's skirt this year. And the topper is non-existent right now. I'm actually gonna be making one in another video, so you guys should check that out in another video. I'm gonna be making one for the tree that represents this channel. Also, don't forget to get your t-shirts. And if you want, you and your furry kiddo can match shirts like this. Sophie and I are matching. They are now available in my online store. The link is in the description, and I'll also have it at the end of this video. So go get yours now before they run out. So that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a good day or a good night, and I love you guys.